Oh no! Whiskers and Momo were trapped in the factory by the mudslide. Here you come, construction fleet! Please rescue Whiskers and Momo! Don't worry, I will rescue them right away! Whiskers is pressed down by a big tree! Let's rescue him first. First, be careful not to let Whiskers get hit by the broken stones when you shovel the pile of stones. My task is completed, and I will leave the task of lifting the tree to the crane. I am the crane. Let's secure the big tree with a rope before lifting it. Construction fleet, thank you for saving me. You are welcome, Whiskers. We need to rescue Momo right away. Momo is trapped in the basement. Let's rescue her right away. The entrance to the basement has been blocked by a slate. Let's remove the slate first. The slate is too large. I need to change a drill bit to break the slate. Now, let's break the slate. And then change a bucket to remove the broken stones. The entrance is wide open. I will leave the rest of the task to the crane. I am the crane, and I can lift Momo out of the basement. Drag the equipment onto the lifting hook and drop it into the basement for Momo. Help Momo put on the equipment. Gloves. Safety hat. Safety harness. Don't worry, Momo. I will help you out right away. Okay, construction fleet, I can count on you. You are great, construction fleet. Here's a rescue badge for you to express our gratitude. Little Panda's quiz. Let's check out how much you know. Which construction truck can shovel stones? Crane. Road roller. Excavator. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can help mix concrete for paving the road? Concrete mixer. Bulldozer. Excavator. You are right! Next question. Which construction truck can carry materials? Excavator. Dump truck. Concrete mixer. You are right! You've got it all correct! Great!